Hello friends, we are at Walgreens this morning and this is for the week of November the 9th to the 15th, doing deals specifically in store with those register rewards, which you can only get in store, and there's lots of magic in today's video. Okay, so I'm going to pepper this in the middle of a couple deals, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. You can do it on whatever you wish, but I'm going to show a couple deals that I personally would do just to maximize this one. If you have a paper one to stack with it, you can get even more back. Like if you had a 5 back when you spend 15, you would get 10 back when you spend 15, which is amazing, like the paper and the digital. This morning, first thing, the app was not working properly. So if you're still getting last week's prices on items, relaunch the app or log out and log back in. In store, everything is working properly, meaning prices are ringing up and everything is perfect. If you could please do me a kindness before we dive into the deals, if you could give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or if you have the hype button, I would be so grateful if you could hype up this video. It really helps out me and the channel if you could do the hype. Thank you so much in advance, guys. First thing we're going to talk about is this freebie, depending what the clearance schedule is at your store. This box, I think originally is like $33 or $35 of these GOODNITES. Has to be this exact one. Here in Michigan, it's on clearance for $8.49, and we're going to just enhance it. It's the XL, so for bigger kids, the 28 count. If you have a need for it or if you want to buy it to donate it, by all means. And here is the UPC. So maybe ask a price check at your store, like, is it in the clearance section? Is it in the regular diaper aisle? Is it on an end cap? Grab it, bring it to the front, ask for a price check. We have a 5 off store coupon and a $1 manufacturer, so that's $6 off the $8 buy-in price. Plus, have $5 back on IBOTTA with a limit of up to 2. So if you find this twice, it might be a deal to do. Be really careful with that $5 store coupon. If you were going to use it in a booster deal, it would make your basket $5 less. Like at this price, your basket would be $3.49. It wouldn't be $8.49 with the $5 store coupon. Grabbing it at this price for $8.49, subtracting your $5 store coupon and the $1 digital, you would pay $2.49. Photograph your receipt for $5 back from IBOTTA, making this free plus a $2.51 moneymaker. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If your GOODNITES are 50% off at $16 and some change, you decide if this is a deal that you want to do. If you have a little one at home that uses these diapers, I think it would be a good deal to do. Now, your Garnier hair dye, if they are, $2.99, $2.50, around that neighborhood, we have a new 5 off 2 digital coupon. It would make 2 boxes completely free. Don't be shy to ask for a price check, because a lot of shampoos and stuff have dropped in price. You possibly can get another freebie working for you. Unfortunately, only 1 box of this, so I could not make the deal happen. I absolutely love this deal. It is on the Hello toothpaste, and if you do not like fluoride toothpaste, this is just a really great deal. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and sorry guys, I'm not showing you every single tag. It's just because the store was not tagged first thing. But this is the promotion, $5, and we have a 4 off 2 digital, and then a $5 reward when you buy 2. So this is a very easy deal. Grabbing 2 of these, it's 10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal in concert with a booster. But if you're not doing it with a booster, you're just buying it on its own. Yes, you can use up to $5 to earn your register reward, and why not? Okay, we're still going through more toothpaste deals. This one is with the Toms of Maine, and I know a lot of you are really particular to this toothpaste. Grabbing 2 of them on a buy one, get one 40% off. That's $11.18. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $8.18. Get back a $4 register reward. Hey, throw in that $5 one from the last one and throw it into this one. Why not? For a lesser out of pocket. You would pay $4.18, making it $2.09 per fanciness. But if you wanted to do Hello first and then roll that $5 register reward into this one, it would be a lesser out of pocket. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. The final toothpaste deal, it's for 16-cent toothpaste. It's either these cuties for $3.50 or the Oral-B brushes at $3.50. And the promotion is that when you buy 3 of these, you're going to get back a $5 register reward, and we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. As I was explaining, the app was really not so great this morning, so photographing coupons was really hard, so that's why I don't have pictures this morning. 3 of these for $10.50, subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per tube. Do not use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Those harder packaged toothpaste, perfect for a stocking. Just saying. If you're new to couponing, you have a bit of Walgreens cash, and you're really trying to build up your stockpile, this is 4 for $10 for these P&G Laundry Care Febreze Mr. Clean products. Stock up at $2.50 a unit. If you have Walgreens cash or register reward or whatever, I would certainly be doing this deal. Another great deal is with the 305 digital coupon that's attaching to this specific bag. It drops it down to $1.94. I mean, is this couponing in 2017? I heart this price. It's just great to grab this one on its own. And then unfortunately, my store did not carry these Kit Kat Santas. It's buy one, get one free at $6.99. So it's $3 and some change per bag. And Santa Claus wanted to buy some for some stockings, but not today. So I'll have to look for them at a different store. And then everybody's favorite, the buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens freezer bags. So for this, it makes it 93 cents per box of 20. With the Christmas baking season right around the corner, I know a lot of us, really want to be stocking up on this. So go and make this happen. Another item I could not track down are these 8 counts of the Klondike cones. We have a buy one, get one free that's also working at Walgreens. So if you want to get some ice cream, especially if you live Florida, California, the hot states, you might want to grab this. It's 50% off of one. You pay for the first, so why not? The Tresemme for $6, it's one of those, it's that bottle there at 12 o'clock, so it's going to be $6. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you buy 2, so a little bit of magic right there, and everybody loves Tresemme, well, especially I do. Grabbing 2 of these for $12, subtracting our digital coupon, you'll pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but go and make it happen, especially if you're a newer couponer building your stockpile. This is a great item. The Axe body wash, this is another deal that's continuing from last week to this week, and I absolutely love this deal. They are buy one, get one 50% off, $2 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So make sure you still have that coupon on your account if you're going to do this deal. 2 of them is $10.18, subtracting that big fancy coupon, you're paying $5.18, getting back a $2 register reward, making it $3.18 for the 2 or $1.59 per body wash. Do not use any Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but if you're doing the deal on its own, no booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash. Why not? And the soft soap at $5.99. This is the one item I would definitely grab for this deal. We have a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon. You can grab the Irish Spring Bar soap, the soft soap body wash, or that massive hand soap. So grabbing 2 of them, it would be $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.48. Get back a $1.50 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but if you're doing it in a booster deal, you have to pay with your debit card for the balance. The L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $11 this week, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that showed up. I just know this is a favorite with many shoppers, so 2 of these for $11. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. So it's $4 per shampoo and conditioner. If you're running low, these bottles don't really contain a whole lot. It's not like Tresemme. I mean, stock up or use a register reward so you're paying a smaller out of pocket instead of that $8. This next deal, we're actually going to use this booster. So the balance, you got to use your debit card, bills, or a credit card. So we're going to be grabbing new price for either the bar soap or the Olay body wash. It's $8 now. $5 register reward when you purchase 3. You pick whatever you want. I know a lot of you are more particular to bar soap. I personally like the liquid body wash, and I love Olay. Actually, I like Dove too. I like them all, but I like this one specifically. Over on IBOTTA, there's $2 back with a limit of up to 3, so you're going to get $6 back, either with the bar soap or the liquid body wash. Grabbing 3 of these, it's $24. That Tresemme deal or that Hello deal, throw in one of those register rewards. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward. $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $6 back from IBOTTA, making it 3 for 3 or $1 per unit. Do not use Walgreens cash as you're using the booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. Unfortunately, we do not have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon with this. So just trying to make something happen. If you have any other manufacturer register rewards, Hello, Tresemme, throw it into the deal. Deal that we're looking at are these beautiful Old Spice gift sets for $14.99. We have a $2 digital to accompany this. IBOTTA's also giving back $7.50 when you buy 2 of them, and it's working on both of the ones I just showed you. And if you want to sign up for IBOTTA today, check out the referral link in the notes. I think you're given an extra $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt, and you also get a free Thanksgiving dinner over at Walmart. So check out the link in the notes if you've been allergic to signing up for IBOTTA. It's a really terrific app if you're a couponer. You need your friend loaded, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. This is also of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely which deal you want to do. And this is the promotion that when you buy 2 of these, you're getting back a $4 register reward. Plus, we have a $2 digital for our friend Mr. Old Spice. 2 of those kits is $29.98. Subtracting our digital coupon, we have our friend that booster loaded. With your debit card, you're going to pay $27.98. Get back a $4 register reward, $5 in Walgreens cash, and $7.50 from IBOTTA, making it $11.48 for the 2 or $5.74 per gift set that has so many items inside of it, like the deodorant, the body wash, the shampoo, so much more. Do not use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a booster in this transaction. But oh my gosh, guys, get out there and make some of these deals happen. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.